Anvy Mini Sport Wireless Earbuds. It's a Bluetooth wireless earbud. Here are the specification. It's supporting Bluetooth version 4.1 and the HSP, HSF, A2DP, AVRCP up to 30 feet range. Talk time is up to 4 hours and music listening time is up to 3.5 hours. And standby time is 150 hours. Looks good. As you can see, this is a very beautiful presentation. Here's the earbuds. It has a nice magnetic cover. So once the presentation is so nice, you will feel that worth of your money. And here is some of other features. It has hi-fi sound, it is sweat proof, it has aluminum material and a multi-point function. So it supports two Bluetooth devices at the same time. So it can switch between two Bluetooth devices, which is nice. Let's check it out. So this is the product. One case, with Anvy logo on it. It's like a Beats wireless case. Within the case, okay, there are the set of spare earbuds. And this is the micro USB charging cable. Looks nice. So this is a nice case to carry in with a matte black finish, which looks nice and classy. Now this is the Bluetooth earbud. I think it's with the medium size is already put in, and there are other size here. This is the length. Now here are the controls and also the microphone. So this is the power on off button, volume plus minus. And this is, I think, for the track. And here is the microphone switch. And this is the USB charging cable. So let's turn it on. Let's see if there is anything. Alright, so this is the LED. Now I will pair it up with my Nexus. Let's turn the Bluetooth on. I believe this is the one, HD 082RQ. Let's try to connect. Connected. I don't know if you can hear it, but it has a voice prompt. So it just declared that it is paired. Now I play some music and let's see how the sound is. uh, if you can hear, I think the music is coming out loud, but when I put it in the ear, it's very good. The quality is very nice. And while running or exercising, I think we can use this wings, ear wings, so that it will hold it with the ear while running. And while in the home, these ear wings are not needed, it's fitting perfectly. And the material also is looking nice. This is the left, this is the right. It has a very glossy black finish, and the wire is also not too long, which uh, which is making it tangle free. And the sound, which is the main thing, the sound is nice. Within 30 bucks, I think this is a very good product.